Good morning, coaches. It's Coach Mike here from NEW Lutheran, making a quick tutorial for you on allocating stats and sending those stats to me so I can compile before our all-conference meeting we have coming up next week. First thing you have to do is log into the admin side of MaxPreps and click on Stats. It might take a moment to load. Once stats have loaded up, you're going to click on the button Print over here. And the nice thing with MaxPreps is if you go down to the bottom, you can see that you can print with only league stats. So obviously before you do this, verify that you have your 8 conference matches in already. When you hit View Report, it'll come up here and you can real quick check to see if you've got the right one selected by looking at how many sets you've played, making sure that that's the right number of sets you've played for conference matches. Then you can click on the print button, and if you want for your own account, you can print a hard copy for yourself. However, for me, I'm going to have you save this as a PDF. Once you hit save, you'll find a spot for you to save it. And put it in the stats folder here. When you save this, if you could put the year and your school, be a big help. So I have NEW Lutheran Conference Stats. I'm going to click Save. Then I can go into my preferred email browser and link that file and share it back, or I should say send it to me. And then I will compile everything onto a big spreadsheet for us to use at our meeting. Obviously, I'm going to need to know who you're putting up for all conference. So if you could give me that information too, that would be great. And I will share back the finished spreadsheet once I get it built. So if you have any questions, go ahead and send me an email and ask. Look forward to seeing you guys soon.